Welcome to Online Digital Marketing Solution. In this video, I'll explain Gmail ads. In my previous video, I have explained standard display ads. In this video, I'll explain Gmail ads. Okay, let's go by step. In this video, I'll explain Gmail ads. First point. So, where our ads will appear in Gmail ads is appear in Gmail inbox. Ads appear in Gmail inbox. I will show you this one. So I have opened my Gmail. So in this Gmail inbox, you can see social and promoters. Just click this one. Like that, it will appear. See, this is a image, and he has added some content, and he added headline, description. And if you click this button, it will direct to whatever he has given their home page, or it will direct to that page. So main thing, you have to give quality image and main quality catchy headlines you have to give to attract the customers. So like that, you have to create image. So main thing, what is, if you have in your company, in your organization, if you have graphic designer, please make a quality image to attract the people. So that only can get the more clicks, and they will go to your related page, and they will fill the form, and the way you will get inquiries, more inquiries. Like that, you have to create. So second step is ad type is text come image. Next, third point is bidding type is clicks. Bidding type is clicks, CPC. So main here you have to create proper ad, and second point is targeting is very important here. So whom you are going to target, and one more thing I have to tell. So here once you see ad here, suppose if I click this ad only, Google will charge. Once click this ad, and if Google will not promise, like once they click ad and see, after that maybe they will click your whatever the link or where you going to redirect your page. Google will not promise. So main thing, you have to quality image and catchy headlines only, otherwise you will not get clicks. Okay, and one more thing, if you not get any clicks, you will not get any clicks, Google will not charge here. The ad will show like this only. If you click only, Google will charge, otherwise Google will not charge. Next. So main thing is 4 point. Targeting is very important. Okay, in this, yeah. So in my previous video, display standard display campaign, you can target many ways, like place, demographic, even affinity, keywords, placement. But here we will explain all the things. One is place wise you can target. Place means you have to target. I'm targeting Bangalore location. If you want to target entire India, you can target even entire world. Or if you want to target any in Bangalore, any specific location, you can target. Next, B. So next one is the demographics. Demographic means age and gender. And gender. Age means I am targeting for age 25 to 45. I am targeting. Gender means male or female. So we can target like this. Next, third point is affinity. Affinity means interest based. So interest based is work interest. I am running campaign for digital marketing. Who are interested in digital marketing? It will show the my ad in Gmail inbox. is interest. Suppose if your industry is different, you have to check the what are related your industry interest. Those options you select in affinity. So our ads will appear in those people only. Okay, next. So main thing is targeting is very important. And next, even you can keywords you can target, but keywords means suppose if you are running a standard display campaign, that time you can target the keywords because related keywords the display image will show in, according to keywords in our competitor websites. But here we are running Gmail ads, na? So in only Gmail inbox show. So need not to go for keywords here. Next, even placements in display standard display campaign you have targeted in placements. Placement scenes in our display, our ad will show in website, blogs, and even YouTube channel also will show for display standard display campaign. But here running Gmail ads, so you need to target even placements also. So main thing your target is place, demographics, and affinity base you can target. Next. Fifth point. So image sizes. So image sizes is so 1200 into 628. You can create the image proper and quality image you have to create. Before creating, you have to analyze your competitors, what they are creating image and what are the catchy headline you can give. And one more image size is 1000 into 1000. Next, this is the image. Next, logo size. So whatever the logo you have, your website logo, you have to create 144 into 144. You have to create the logo size. Next, seventh one, catchy headline. Next, even proper description. Next, ninth one, call to action. So very important. Once they click your call to action, they will redirect to your page, whatever the pages you have given. Like that, you have to create. Main thing is targeting is very important, and bidding type is CPC. Ad type is text come image. So our ads is appear in Gmail inbox, and you have to write proper catchy headline and call to action. Okay, let's start the practicals. So I have opened the Gmail ads dashboard. Just click here, place, click new campaign. So what is your goal? Main thing, I will either sales, leads, website traffic, product and production. So I will go for goal is manually. So I will select create a campaign without a goal. So in this means I will select a goal manually. So I'm clicking this option. Next click. So I'm running for display campaign. Says if you mean if you're running search campaign you can select search. Otherwise if you want to if you're running a display campaign select display this option. So here you'll show standard display campaign and Gmail campaign. Already I have my previous video. I have already make the video standard display campaign. Before seeing Gmail campaign video, you have to watch that video. After that, you have to watch Gmail campaign video, so you can understand the targeting options. Okay, so I'm running for Gmail campaign. So I'm select this option, and where you going to put the word website name. So I'm targeting for my domain. Copy. Continue. Yeah, next you have to give the campaign name. So Gmail display campaign. I mentioned Bangalore. Next, location. If you want to target entire India, you can target. Otherwise, if you want to target any specific location, just select this option. So I selected Bangalore. Next, language. Language by default it's showing English, so even I will go for English language. Next, bidding. What I told bidding type is clicks only. Still takes just clicks. So I will go for manually this one. So based on the selections, this campaign will use the manual CPC bid strategy. Okay, I will go for clicks, bid and bidding. I will go for manual CPC. Next, what is your budget? Your spending per day budget. I am spending per day 1000 rupees. Next, additional settings. So here additional settings, optimize the prefer performing ads means suppose if you have created three ads, in the three ads which ad is performing better, by default Google will show that ad, prefer the best performing ad to show a number of people. So you can go for this option only. Next, ad schedule. Ad schedule means which day you are going to run the ad, either all weekdays or all weekends. Even weekend you can mention the timings at what time to run. I'll leave it for default. Even next, start and end dates. What is start date and end date? You have to give the start date and end. I'll run without selecting these options. Even devices is also important. So which device you want to show? By default Google show all the devices. If you want to show any specific devices, you have to select the mobile, tablets and all things. Okay, so I'll go for show all devices. Next, campaign URL options, dynamic ad conversions. So this one I will show when I'm running dynamic ads. That time I will explain these all the options. Next, create group name, display Gmail ads. I use Gmail ads only. Next, here targeting is very important. So I told you keywords you will target only standard display campaign. That time will target. Just click audiences. Come down here, browse. See here, which what their interest to habits are. So I'm running for digital marketing. I will select that industry. If you are running any your industries, and also you can click this and that category you will get subcategory also. So you have to select the specific category here. Or if you want to run any other things, you have to check here and you have to select all these related your industry category. Next, demographics. So when I told you na demographics you can target. So I target 25 to 45 male and female. Yeah, so I'll make this option. So even I'll run for male and female unknown also, and 25 to 45. So I'll make this another brands, and you can even go for even household income wise also you can target. Okay, so I selected demographics. Next, automated target. I will not select this one. Leave it as well. By and enter maximum CPC bid per day. I mean, how much I want to put by for CPC? What is the clicks amount? So I'm going for 15 rupees. Let's see how much will come. So by default, Google estimate. So I can expect 3K to 6.4K clicks. Average CPC is 1.15 to 2.76, around 3 rupees. And I will impressions I will get 11K to 42K. CTA click through rate is 11% to 36%. So maximum CPC is 3 rupees approximately. Clicks I can expect this size clicks. Next click, add. Here you have to click. Please observe properly. Here you have to click Gmail ad. Here to put your business name. So our is online digital marketing solution. So I'll put, because characters limit is 20, so I'll put shortcut OD online digital marketing solution. Next you have to headline digital. I'm showing example only this one. Services. So here the characters are already limiting about digital marketing service and you proper description. Get free quote. Next. So it's showing you have not added HTTPS. I have not added, so that is showing, it's not a problem. You should go for images. If you want to add, you can add even videos also. Here I will select the images. So my example I'm showing, make as marketing image. Continue. Save. And if you have any catalog image also you can add. Okay. Next, one more thing, I have to add even uh, image also. I have uploaded some already some images. I'll select some images by example I'm showing. I will select one image here. Yeah, just I'll take some example only. I'll not run this campaign. For example, I'm showing, so I'm select the image of this one as a logo. Just continue, save. So I selected one image and one logo. If you want to select, you can select one more image also. Next, if you want to add the catalog, you can add the catalog images and more option click. And you have to give the call to action. Call to action, you have to enter the name here. Visit website. Okay, and how our ad will show how it looks. So this is on phone, it looks like this. Okay, next on computer how it looks. So on computer looks like this. Just I'm showing example only. I will not run this campaign. Okay, if you want to add, you can add the video also. If you want to add the catalog images, you can add it. And main thing, you have to give the call to action. Call to action is visit to website. Click just create a campaign. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. So like that, you have to create the Gmail ads. Main thing is targeting is important, and image and text and headline and description and call to action is very important here. And I have mentioned the date, start date from April 21st to I have not selected end date. I will run for 2-3 days. Let's see the campaign results. So after that, either maybe I have to run, otherwise I will check it. What is the results? Campaign goal I selected manual only. Is clicks, and campaign type is Gmail. Per day budget 1000 rupees. Bid strategy I mentioned the manual CPC like that. If you want to change any, you can change it here. Just continue to campaign. So like that, you have to create a Gmail ads campaign. So guys, please, if you have any doubts on this Gmail ads campaign, please comment and subscribe. In future, I'm going to create more videos on Gmail videos. It's all series videos. Please watch all videos. Please comment us. Thank you. Thank you so much.